It was all in preparation so that we could share this experience with you guys. Moving into this school bus that we have transformed into our first home. I'm finally confident enough to say that it is a first home. Hey, we're Sean and Ash. After spending the past 2.5 years turning this school bus into our first home,
hi,
we're finally on our maiden voyage to experience life on the road. Today is the official day that we are taking off. We will still be in Florida till tomorrow.
Something that we decided to do about 3 years ago, and it never would have been able to happen without the help of Ashley's loving parents. And I say they're some of my best friends, or are they my family now? I think they're my family. I don't know how we'll ever repay you, but thank you so much for everything. Thank you, babe. Disgusting. It's actually pretty good. It's really hot. It's still friggin' hot. Jeez.
Then it was time to take off. Not quite knowing what lies ahead, but with some important destinations to hit. Our first day of travel was just over 2 hours to my cousin's home in Eustis, Florida, where we got to tour their beautiful new home.
Yeah, it feels good. Drives like a dream. We left with a little less than a half a tank, and we're about empty, so I want to fill up. They say you shouldn't really let it get to less than a quarter tank because it puts a lot of pressure on the fuel pump, so. Look. It was $100 like on the dot.
To fill up the whole tank.
To fill the tank. Here. There's gotta be a gator in here. I think they said there's like a 7-footer around here somewhere.
How it's gonna be till we have a bathroom.
How's it gonna be? I don't mind.
Pretty cool yesterday. Not even open yet.
Game plan for today.
So we just spent our first night in the bus that was not in our driveway. It was in a family member's driveway.
Yep, we're here at Ashley's cousin's house. The batteries made it through the night. Fridge is still running. Yay. Another trial run has gone successfully.
So our plan is to have a long day of driving today, trying to accomplish about a 9-hour drive to Raleigh, North Carolina, and go see our friends Scott and Ashley from the Hive Drive.
South Carolina peaches too. They were growing about an hour and a half from here.
I know you're allergic, and I know that I bought peaches yesterday, but I got some South Carolina peaches and tomatoes.
Wow, maters? Beautiful.
Check it out.
Cool. I might just eat a peach and see what happens.
No.
Yeah.
Your tongue will get all itchy. There was no way that we could head north without seeing Scott and Ashley. They were actually exactly halfway between where we were in Florida yesterday and where we're going to New Jersey tomorrow. So this was the perfect place to stop and stay for the night. They saved us from a Walmart parking lot. Thanks, guys.
Amazing, amazing people.
The energy.
The energy.
How do you rate it? This is camera.
Not as good as the nearby Burger King, but.
The whole time.
That's nice.
Yeah. It's,
You're I'm not strong enough.
Okay guys, so we're super pumped that Sean and Ash are here. We actually I feel like we started our bus around the same time as you guys, right?
And they're actually setting off on their maiden voyage.
Yeah,
we have a long ways
we're like
to go.
way behind. And yeah, but it's just so cool kind of been on this journey together and to see those guys on their journey. We'll one day be with them. If Sean hung out a little longer, I think we could get this bus.
After our second stop, we had our sights set on another really long day of driving, all the way from North Carolina to New Jersey. Making our way north, we covered 8 states in just 2 days, had lunch in a gas station parking lot, and met up with Sean's family for a long overdue reunion.
Hey, Merry Christmas. Wow, thanks. Athletes. Ah, nice shot. Oh! Damn it! Oh my god, it's so hot in here.
It's like 90 degrees.
We're weathering the storm. I think I'm getting...
We need AC is what we need. We need the mini split up here.
I can't imagine it's gonna be this hot forever. We're also like parked in the sun. But then again, we need sun for the solar, so...
Good point. Okay, it is a Monday morning and we have officially spent our first 24 hours living in the bus. It's messy, we're just getting settled and we're parked on the street right now outside of Sean's house. We're trying to find a little bit more of a permanent location just because we're kind of on a tilt right now, which is not major or anything, mostly just the sink, like the water isn't going down the drain. So Sean is already hard at work. I just did a workout and I turned to him and said, isn't this so crazy that we spent so long working on this and putting hours into this and now you're sitting at the desk that you built and working? It's very surreal and it's very exciting.
I burnt my tongue.
Pulling up to Sean's neighborhood.
Yeah?
Oh,
Oh, no.
Oh.
Right here, babe. Used to cut this grass right here.
Yeah.